Yo, this is Chuck Fenda, the poor people defender. So we are talking about Gash Dem and Light Them. How this song was born? Well, I was watching the 7 o'clock news and I saw this little girl, her name was Shanika Adams, and you know what I mean? She was raped and, you know what I mean, really bad and something. And it really touched me when I saw the news. And I really said, Jano, this crime is so gruesome. You know what I mean? For a little child, a 6-year-old child. I mean, I said something have to be done about this. So now I go to bed now and pray. And a couple of days later, I go down to the sea and I said, Jah, give me a song where the world can't deny. So I talk to the universe. And then, I think a week after that, a thing just come to me and I say, a big man like you, rape off a 6-year-old baby. A big man like you, Papa, if you go and put 9 on a little old lady. A big man like you, bound down at school and I go on like you, man, sick and crazy. When God hold you, no if none about nobody tell the Almighty, but maybe Gash Dem and Light Them. I myself, I take up my phone. I myself, Black Pearl, hear that song here. And the man say, DJ it again, Chucky. The man say, Chucky, I hate this, you know. I man say, DJ it. And the man start add some little part in it. We good job for all them Moses law. I feel higher than no for who don't want to push it till blood start dry. And the wrong one you have to pay for. Gash Dem. I say, who a Pearl? So, I meet Shane Brown in Japan and Shane Brown give me a rhythm. And I go so, put on the rhythm and last the rhythm. And the man see me again and give me the rhythm again. And I go so Ray and toss the rhythm. And the man see me a third time. I say, yo, I give me rhythm again in the trucky. And give me the rhythm. I say, I listen to the rhythm. So now I listen to the rhythm now and I record it on my phone and I make it be my voice note. I listen to Shane Brown with him and the man I call me one morning now, I call my phone now for tell me to go voice on the song and hear the rhythm I play with the song on it. And the man said, Chuck Fenda, am I sang that? And I say, yeah man. The man said, come on the studio, no. I say, what you say? The man said, no, me mean like no. So now, I'm go down a big yard studio. And I go so boom. Oh Lord, a big man like you. And start voice the song, the whole studio start mash up. The whole studio. And the man, you can't see the face expression upon him. And that changed Shane Brown's life. That song that changed my life and changed Shane Brown's life as a producer. You understand? And that's how Shane Brown launch. And that's how Chuck Fenda career change. Because them time they did out of Fifth Element and dip on my own. So that's when I start the whole Living Fire label. This is me I deal about Gash Dem and Light Them. And this how the whole thing start. Because Shane Brown even knows I did theme song. I just listen to the rhythm and say, but the song I match the rhythm, you know. And the man just call the next day and never get me. And left a voice note for me and say, yo, am I song that me up on your voice note? Come on in the studio now. I go down in the studio, go voice it and world change. After that, boom, here comes the whole broadcasting corporation come down for me like that. Yeah. When Chuck Fenda performed Gash Dem and Light Them at Sumfest, Johnny Guzam from Sumfest come check me. Man, they drive all the way from Mobile come check me. And say, a year close Sumfest, you know. And I say, what you say? Man say, what I say? You now go on to 6:30, 7 o'clock down at that. What you say? Give me a figure. Any figure. Because no matter what, you have to dip on the show. And I say, hey, I'm going to give him a figure. The man signed the contract same time. And I think say, boy, I figure when I give him a go run him, the man say, hey, ready. Murder. So, going down at Sumfest go perform a song. When I come on the stage show and start perform and the place and mash up. So I draw Gash Dem and Light Them. People start light the reggae bed, the cardboard, a fire truck are the only artists in Jamaica who make a show of a stop. With fire truck have come in at the venue, come turn on the hose and out fire. Say, last God Almighty know that. Ask any man down at Sumfest. When Chuck Fenda performed Gash Dem and Light Them at Sumfest, fire truck have to come because people pile up cardboard to high, so higher than even me, and light it. Yes, and like that. So a history, you know what I mean? A history song. I think 2006 or 2007, anywhere around there. So check 2006, 2007, you see fire truck in a middle or something. When you come over and see Jenny goes out and say, oh, you come, you burn your burn down the whole of Buffett, but you know the man they different. The man come to me and say, boy, I don't know, but you burn down the whole place. You have to call the fire truck, we go open this fire here. Because if people then find something with them, say, yes, this is an anthem against child molestation, child abuse, you know what I mean, senseless killing, all of them things that it just govern everything in a one. Yeah, man. Gash them, I like them. Me just know, say, it's a gift from the Almighty because I did need it in that time, because to the situation I did inner, me just know, say, Jah, I for give me a gift and say, Chuck Fenda, say a gift here. Because of all them, the treatment to me that get, and all ones and ones did that, I look for iron and I treat iron. Just say, yeah, what? Say a gift there. Them can't deny you again. You see me I say? Just like how now in a 2021 with Eternal Fire, I saw Gash Dem and Light Dem come about. You know what I mean? So Eternal Fire and Gash Dem and Light Dem is like them a walk on the same path. You understand? Same path. Yeah. Because in another month we are celebrating the 15th anniversary of Gash Dem and Light Dem. And here comes Eternal Fire. I come in the same timing because it's the same power song. We are beat down the wall of injustice, negativity, crime and violence. Same way like how Gash Dem and Light Dem come. I say it's two songs them stay. So Eternal Fire remind me of Gash Dem and Light Dem. And Gash Dem remind me now. Eternal Fire. Word cannot explain Gash Dem and Light Dem. Because what the song stand for and what it do. Remember saying that the song had changed enough people's life, you know. You understand? This song had wreck up lots of make people start see the injustice, the abuse of children. You understand? The rape of little kids, the molestation, you know what I mean, abuse of female mothers. You know, women's out there, we are go through struggle and all of them things, they not get abused. It show up that. It show up everything that is ungodly. That is how Gash Dem and Light Dem is. And then the same thing with Eternal Fire. It has show up everything that is wrong right now. You know what I mean? The little girl with them rape and fling out her body upon the road. You know what I mean? The beaches were sell out. The airport sell out. I mean, struggle with people have to face, the suffering, the people have to face every day, the single mothers, the single fathers, the pandemic, the stressful effect it have on the people them. That is how Eternal Fire I show up that right now. And I saw Gash Dem and Light Dem did a show up the negativity where happen with the children them, the abuse, the rape, the molestation, you understand? All of that at that time. In 2006 and beyond, it was showing that even at this time, same way. But it does have a fresher one now, which is Eternal Fire.